So magandang araw YouTube. So ngayon papakita sa inyo yung pagbe-breakdown or pagbabaklas ng Kemei 2850 or aka VGR 2850. Papakita ko rin po sa inyo yung yung isang body ng VGR na pinadala sa akin na lalagyan natin ng ceramic blade. Lalagyan natin ng extra blade kung ano mangyayari. So, baka po panoorin nyo para matutunan nyo kasi may mga tanong, paano ba babaklasin yung Kemei 2850. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano, kaya subaybayan lang po. Ngayon, babati muna tayo sa nagpapa-shoutout sa atin, mga subscriber natin. So, binabati ko naman pala ngayon kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, sa susunod na vlog, babatiin ko siya. So, babatiin ko si Jonathan Datanagan. Mr. Jonathan or Sir Jonathan Natanagan, Cap Jonathan, binabati na po kita. Salamat sa pagsubaybay sa channel ko at sa pagsuporta. So, shoutout din po pala kayo kay Sir Boy D. Yan, bago natin kaibigan nyo sa YouTube. At sana, supportahan din po yung mga channel nila. At tuloy na tayo sa gagawin natin. Galing po, sana may natutunan kayo. So, yung mga gusto lang po magpa-shoutout po, mag-comment lang po kayo sa mga video ko, tapos promise po sa susunod na vlog sa shoutout ko po yung mga subscriber po natin, yung mga bisita natin dyan sa ating channel. So, abangan po panuorin at sana at sigurado may matutunan kayo sa gagawin ko. So, salamat! Ito, yung makina is 3.2 volts. So siguro itong Kemei na to, this is VGR po yan. Pero malamang Kemei din yan or malamang kung ano man yan, maraming ganyang design. Ang ano ko dito ay Kaya malakas to dahil may constant voltage siya. So kung 3.2 to ang motor niya, so siguro ano ko lang, sa palagay ko lang po yun, kasi itong Kemei na to malakas yung motor niya. Kahit maglobat siya, hindi humihina yung takbo niya kasi nga po constant variable voltage po siguro ang nakaprogram sa chip nito. So pag sinabi po natin variable voltage po, so na-set yung voltage. Kung ang 3.2 po yan, so siguro inaano niya yung, kasi ang powered po to ng lithium ion battery 18650. So yung 18650 po, buksan na natin. Ang 18650 ay 3.7 volts ang kanyang rating. Pero pag fully charged is 4.20 or 4.2. So ibig sabihin pag 4.2 yung battery niya, hindi siya maglalabas sa circuit niya ng 4.2 volts dahil nakalimit yung voltage niya or naka-variable voltage, nakaset dito, nakaprogram sa circuit na 3.2 lang yung kakainin to. So yung 4.2, habang tumatakbo, umaandar to, so 3.2 ng 3.2 lang limited volt na nilalabas niyan. Kaya fix yung takbo ng Kemei 2850 or VGR 011. So yun po yun. So once na nag-drop na yung voltage ng from 4.2 to 3.2, ibig sabihin pag bumaba ng 3.2, wala na siyang 3.2 voltage na ibabato sa motor. Kaya ang motor mamamatay na lang po. Yun po yung aking palagay. At malamang tama ako sa sinasabi ko dahil yun po yung variable voltage po. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, pag nagloloba to, hindi bumabagal yung motor. Dahil fixed 3.2 volts ang binabato niya dito. Sana nagkaintindihan tayo doon. So we unscrew the board here. Okay. You have 2 screws here already. And we can take the board. So now we can take out the, and this is the lithium ion battery ICR 18650. So what I'm telling you, 3.7 volts. Hindi ko po alam I don't know what kind of batteries inside, but for the sake of this video I'm going to tear this up. We will see. So this is 18650 200 milliampere, 2000 milliampere. So what I know, 2000 milliampere is the LG battery, but it's not. I don't know what's this. It's color blue. I don't know if this is generic battery, but I don't know. So I have here a collection of my 18650 batteries. I've been using this for my vape products. So as you can see, this is already rewrapped. This is a VTC 5 from Sony 1200. The brown one is the LG. This is the LG battery. So usually they put the brand here. It's LG, then the size of the battery. I have here shrink, I don't know, shrink tube or whatever. So to make it safe again, we're going to wrap this again, but this battery again. So I'm going to cut the size of the battery. So we have, because I tear this apart, so to make it secure, because 18650 is a very dangerous battery. That's why this is not allowed in any airports or airplane to carry this battery. So to secure this, we're going to put this thing, so to cover this again. So we're going just to insert the battery inside. Okay, now the battery is already inserted. Then you may use blower or anything that will hit this, but I'm using a lighter, but we'll do it very carefully. So you can see, okay, this is already secured, but we have to take care of this cable, of this wire, because this is a connection of the battery to the board. So we'll just be careful for this. Okay. So that's enough. So I'm going to put back the battery here inside. We're going to try to insert this again. So I just cut a piece of so we can insert this properly. So we have the battery already in place. Then we're going to put back the circuit board. So carefully. So there's a notch here, and then we screw this. So we insert first this, we insert the, okay, now this is inserted, then we're going to screw everything back. So we will try if this is working. So this is the Kemei 5 watt. This is the Kemei 1992. So there's a big difference here on this motor. This is a 5 watt motor and this is a 9 watt motor, or a 9 watt power. So see the difference? This is much bigger. This is a round motor, rotary motor, and this is kind of oblong rotary motor. So I hope you like this video, and I hope every questions have been answered So what's inside the Kemei 2850? Is it what is the difference between VGR and Kemei? So I don't think there is no difference. So this is the Kemei, the VGR or Kemei 2850. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, sampitzthehobbybarber. God bless. So ito, hindi nyo matatanggal tong ano na to hanggat hindi nyo natatanggal yung power button. Kailangan naka-ano lang to, parang naka-click lang yun. Kaya once na tinanggal nyo ito, mahirap na ibalik to eh. Kasi baka masira yung locking device niya. Kasi parang naka-click lang siya. So pag natanggal nyo yan, hindi nyo na may babalik yung power button. So kailangan ibalik muna natin yung uli yung LED na cover here. So, pag ipasok nyo yan, kailangan bago nyo ipasok to, yung tube nyo yan, kailangan ilagay nyo na yun dyan. Tapos isushoot nyo dun sa may daanan. Ayan, para nandun ulit yung ilaw. Para pag pinindot nyo, ito yung charging lang pala yan, charging. So, once this is inserted, also the LED light here, ayan, pwede natin isarado yan. So now this is closed, then we're going to put back the power button, and this is the problem. So ito yung power button, nakalagay po yan dyan, yun yung spring. Ayan po, mahigpit na. So, inadjust na po natin yung blade. So, kailangan subukan natin ngayon kung di makakasagwat. So, once na nagmarka yan, ibig sabihin nakakasugat yan. So, ito po, hindi siya nakakasugat. wala akong tornilyo. Ayan. Ito yung sira yung power button. Ito yung okay. Ayan po. Sana nagustuhan nyo. At salamat. Don't forget to subscribe.